Hey everybody, welcome back to Let's Go Geo. So sandstone can form in some pretty cool patterns. All rocks can, but I particularly am fond of some of these cool patterns in sandstones. And just for fun today, I just wanted to show you just a few. I have tons either in my collection or that I've seen. So I'll show them as I work my way around the US and North America on our geo tours. But for today, here's just a little showcase of some of my favorites that I have right now. So a lot of them will get these sort of concentric bands. And there's different reasons for lines and different coloring in different rocks, so it depends on the rock. Sometimes it's simply chemical separation. Metamorphic rocks, you see this. It's literally has separated chemically, so the darker and lighter minerals. So sometimes you can also get some sort of a thing there, like that is a nucleus, and material will collect around it, and you'll get concentric rings around it as well. So that's just a couple of reasons why you might see concentric banding. This is just a coating on the surface. I believe this looks like it was just eroding like that, to be honest. It's been in the system for some time. It's rounded off pretty good. It happens to be in this kind of square, rectangular shape, I guess, not square. But it just looks so cool. So I just love the patterns. Sometimes, sometimes I go into the details of rocks and I collect them because I know how cool their formation is. And then sometimes I just like their pattern and they just look cool. But the reason they look cool is usually associated with some sort of cool, long history. And you just know they've been on an incredible journey. So there's that one. Just another one. Sort of the same concentric rings going on. This one too. Really pretty there. I love the different tones in that one. So the different colors also. I'll talk in more detail about colors in rocks and minerals. Lots to say about that, but there's some obvious ones like the reddish hues are often associated with iron. We can get some pinkish hues and magnesium content. White-ish tones are sometimes more heavily silica. But yeah, there's variation there, but that's just a little glimpse into that. This just has the divots. This also has some cool lines there. A lot of this stuff would be from weathering. So you'll see, this actually has desert varnish on it too, so it's darker than it otherwise would be. On the inside, you can see right there, it's a lighter colored sandstone. But it's probably, well, it sat on the surface of an arid region, and when the winds go over, it just pelts these, and that's actually what makes most of the cool patterns on these rocks. And the varnish I mentioned is basically manganese coating on the surface. It's deposited actually by organisms. But yeah, I talk all about desert varnish here as well. So if you want to learn about that or a little bit more about desert geology, I do a lot of desert geology. Just check out some of the other adventures I've done. But I'll leave you with that today. It's just for fun, like I said, just to show you some of these. But if you are interested in learning a lot more in-depth details about the rocks, the sandstones, but as well as the other rocks that are, all rocks, lots of different minerals I cover here. So if you want to learn more about those, then just check out the other videos I've done here at Let's Go Geo. I'm doing a whole rundown on minerals, so you can learn mineral properties. If you're getting into rockhounding, I talk about like what you can do to improve your rockhounding skills and basic identification of minerals. And I'll do rocks, and I talk a lot about different volcanoes around the world, and also I visit them in the US. So I take you on geo adventures in the field. So if you're interested in that, I'll see you on the next adventure at Let's Go Geo.